Okay, so 6th of November, I've got yet more fabric in the car. This time I'm heading to Arches to do the door cards, hopefully. Had a packet arrive, there it is. Let's go and do it. What are we doing? We don't even know, do you?
Are we doing door cards?
So I've unscrewed it, so it should start to feel loose. Does it feel loose? Is there another
Definitely
one?
not.
I can't remember.
It feels extremely tight. Are you taking the whole thing?
Whatever, it's fine.
I feel like there's something still holding it in the middle. Yes, hang on. Sometimes I believe there's one. Wait, hang on a sec. That one's done. It feels to me like there's something in here.
You stop saying the same thing.
Did I tell you?
It feels to me, if you say it enough.
It's annoying me because I've removed these before. Oh, have we actually we haven't unscrewed it, that's why.
What?
I've removed the thing, but I haven't unscrewed it.
You bumbling buffoon. What? Where's he gone? Just need a screwdriver.
Isn't that tight?
Yeah. It's like kind of having your dad hanging over you. That's not coming out.
There he is, in his natural habitat.
Ah, right, you ready? You can have the glory.
We want to try and replace this manky old cat here. Now the key is it? Oh yes, look, it's 2-part, so we can take it out. We put this here. That is good news. Can you see the insert?
It's like your pants, this. Great big bellowing panties. We're doing this today.
Oh, I have ordered this fabric because
that.
it is mank. So I managed to find that apparently. And it is 92 quid.
Jesus.
Now what I wanted to know was whether we can...
Those don't look very good.
Yeah, but at least we can remove it. That's the key thing. I don't know about reattaching.
What are those? Oh, those are
So
just...
I think they're just heat.
That's fine, yeah.
So we can remove it. And look, it's got the original build thing on it. 15th of the 6th something. But yeah, so that's good news. That is good news.
God's sake.
Okay, give me a 2. 2?
1, 2, 2.
Louder?
2, 2,
2,
2.
2, 2.
1, 2.
Okay, we're recording. Let's go for it. Hold that. Don't lose my black
That
thing.
looks sharp.
These?
What's in there? Why do you never offer me gloves? You always have your little glove.
My little gloves.
What is that for?
So that just reinforces the door
Oh,
when
I
you
see.
pull on it.
Yeah.
So what I've done is I've removed these. Can you see the bulbous bit there? Remove those, and then this should fall out. So you have a go at that one and that one.
What with this?
Well, I did all the others just fine. Thank you very much. Without you just poo-pooing the whole thing.
Doesn't look like the right implement to me, but anyway.
Oh, trust me, it is. Oh my God, have you ever handled a chisel in your life?
The chisel is for woodwork.
I
This
know.
is quite upsetting me. Have you got a pair of gloves?
Yes.
Maybe offer me that first next time. Glum. Where are the gloves?
Yeah, right here. Jesus.
Of course, yeah, it's just common sense, isn't it?
I'm so impatient, viewers.
Done.
Can I show you how I did it?
It's because he's a teacher. He's a
Freaking teacher.
Go flat and you just scoot it off like that. Ha! Yeah, there we go. I think we're good. What do you think? That one? Ha!
Oh dear. Oh, dear.
Right.
What about that?
Oh, that's all right.
Oh, so it's all right if you do it.
Where's my black thing?
I've got it in my pocket because you
Give it
shouldn't
here.
leave
Give
it
it here.
Okay, so I feel like it's gone very aggro very quickly.
Ah. Hua! Then what you do, in theory, it comes out. Ah. How many did we leave in? Oh, that's all right. We can work with that. Yes, that will be loose. And there we go. Floppy pants. So let's look at how they did it. Okay, they just glued it around the edge.
Yeah, I mean, not very sophisticated.
All right. Do you want to see the fabric I got? Hang on.
What?
Oh my God, look at the colour of it. Are you ready?
Why can't I take that off?
Because I don't want you to.
Okay.
Right, are you ready? Let's see. Is it gonna match?
Looks like something you'd wear on a night out. Oh yes.
Not bad, darker.
Yes, nice. Nice.
Similar, I would say. Similar.
No, it doesn't match at all.
Doesn't really, does it?
No.
I mean, it is similar. It's got the brick pattern.
Pattern is the same, the colour. I'm colourblind, but that's nothing like it.
Well, that's faded, isn't it? Okay, well, it's good enough, isn't it?
It's fine.
There's enough for 4, right? Ah!
No, oh God.
You'll be fine. I've got my magic fabric cleaner.
Okay, well that needs to be cleaned first.
Yes, should we do that now? Completely different, but it will be all right for the short term.
It's not a match. There we go.
It's not a match at all. Thanks a lot. 92 quid. Something that doesn't quite...
Was it 92 quid for that bit of fabric?
Yep.
Whatever, it's fine.
The glue has... Oh my God, that is rancid. Now the question is, how do we remove that? What solvent are we going to use? Right, John, do the honours. Remove the final bit.
That was relatively unsatisfying.
Because I removed most of it. Should we try this? Sticker remover. It's all right, I suppose.
Does this have to be clean?
Yes.
That is going to be a challenge.
We just got to find the right chemical. Let's try sticker remover by HG.
Don't do it on my glass.
This is organic. It's a solvent. It's fine. Nature loves it.
I don't think it's very gunky. Is it learning?
Goodness gracious. It's still very sticky though, isn't it? It's like nature's adhesive has been applied. It's good for your skin apparently.
It's just not going to come off. That.
It will come off. It will. We will win this battle.
So why are these things so freaking wobbly? Ow! Don't talk to me about my
hateful trestles.
Trestles.
I think it is getting less sticky. Come on, you need to try this one. Have you tried this? Try that. Put a bit of that in you.
I mean, it would help as well if the thing wasn't moving around.
Hang on. Try now. 0 difference.
It's just flying. It's like trying to do it on a ship.
It's one of my most hated tools.
Well, should we get some new ones?
Well then, what would we moan about? We're going for the big guns. This will definitely kill your grass.
Do not
for
get it
200
on my
years. Acetone, which is fairly deadly. I mean, if that doesn't remove it, I really don't know what will. I don't know. I reckon.
I called it in my own head that we're going to end up just saying, yeah, that's about right. That's about right, but it clearly isn't.
Ah, okay. It's glued on fabric. It's got a layer of embedded fabric. Definitely wasn't expecting that. I'm not sure about that. It's really strongly glued on the inside, but you can kind of peel it up, just get underneath it. It does seem to work. Then we get sharp scissors. Right, first of all, touch it without gloves and tell me honestly.
Yes, it's lost its stick.
Good. And you'll never get it off here. It's permanently, so we just leave that, I say.
Yeah.
But I've removed it around here so we can bond to that. What we may be able to do now is, if we do all of it, just glue the new stuff on, see how it goes. But
Let's say that's for woodwork.
A chisel seems to be the optimum tool. I think that will be rather good. I'm going to reattach the handle so we don't lose it. Don't stab me in the face with a chisel.
Move away, you great turnip. Did you do any of this? I feel like I've done all of this.
We must be done though, very shortly, which we will be. To get it all prepped, ready for gluing, we'll rough up the edges with some sandpaper. Concentrating. So what do you think? Should we give it a go? Or maybe just stick it on? It's quite an expensive amount of material, so we don't want to fook it up. Right, let me get a bit of sandpaper ready. Got masking tape. Right, we're going to clean up the mating surface. Would you like to prepare the fabric?
Yeah.
We need that much fabric. And we'll do a final degrease around the edges. I'm thinking we just glue this bit.
Why are you masking? I don't understand.
So we're going to glue in 2 stages. I just remember this is the passenger door, so this is going to be quite visible. Oh no, that's not sticking very well, is it? I hope the old...
It's the solvent. Didn't want to tell you that.
So what we're going to do is spraying from this direction. Yeah? We're just going to spray the middle section. Are you ready? You will spray. Yeah?
Where's the glue?
We need the glue, which is there. Give it a good shake. Is that what you're laughing at?
Come on then, you're still going to say, shake it a bit more.
Kind of like that? Okay. I'll put that.
God, this is such a... That's got mess all over it. Careful.
Okay, hang on, it's all right. Oh my God.
This
oh my
paper.
God. Right, I'm holding the paper. So, you clear what you're doing? Just this middle flat section. That's it.
Just there, up
Yeah.
to the, not this, just
Just
there.
up to that corner is fine. Yeah, plenty around there.
All right.
Yeah, go right into this little bit there. That's fine. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, done. Right. Now, what we're going to do is attempt to...
But this is the problem though, because that is going to have glue outside of that area.
That will be all right, don't worry. It'll be fine. Right, let me go up to the masking. Oh, you removed it.
Well, you can see it.
There, just guide me. Guide me in.
Oh dear, this is just viewers,
It's
this has
fine.
gone so wrong.
No, it's fine. Don't be scared. Just go for it. There we go.
Well, and then my gloves are dirty.
Then we do, what we're going to do is peel it back and glue, if you see what I mean.
Yeah.
Got it? So we go like that.
Okay.
Should we do
Yeah.
it? Should we do the top? What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yes, just do from here to here all the way along.
Yes, so that's what I was doing. So what we're saying is...
Just get on with it! Ah, Jesus! Ah! In Ada! Right, that's free, it's thanks.
That's what...
Right, okay, we need to focus. Right, do you remember our kneading bread technique? We're going to go in, knead it up from the middle outwards. It's a shame it's such a rancid colour of grey, isn't it? It's completely not what it's supposed to be. Mother. Oh, that's, now, you see, slow and steady. That's the way, isn't it?
Slow and steady.
Are we doing this?
Yeah.
Right, now the fabric. Lovely, he's got it, hasn't he? Go all the way up. We can go all the way on this. Yeah, a bit more over here, son. And in this little corner. Go,
There?
in there. Right. Ready? Oh, he soaked it through.
Oh, you asked me to do that! Jesus Christ.
Let's hope it dries. Oh, God. Slightly upset about that, but anyway. We're learning. It's a learning thing.
You told me to squirt it in the corner.
I didn't quite...
The initial victory has...
Well, it's just that final bit, isn't it? It's just a bit where you just fill up. It's just that bit, really. But apart from that, it's really good, yeah.
Yeah, that looks really...
Got a little bit carried away, maybe.
How are you feeling about that one?
Yeah. Yeah. Next time I need like a Malco to help me, I'll remember you. Thanks.
I look forward to playing that section back. Yeah, go for it, in that corner, go for it.
In there.
Oh no, oh dear, it's all gone wrong.
Did you really need to spray quite that much? Oh, great. Yeah. I'll just never look at that door panel again and it'll be fine. Some of it has worked and quite a lot of it hasn't. Well, that's the glue that went through, that's what I was talking about.
Yeah, that's not gonna, we're gonna have to do this again.
Let's make a decision. Are we ripping it off?
Take it
do
off.
we have enough to do?
Well, yeah, we're gonna have to. We're just gonna be much tighter.
Right.
The really good news is we have to kind of
pull.
clean that again.
Yeah, pull. It's quite strong though.
Well, I think we'll keep that because it will be very
Yeah,
unhelpful.
well, you live and learn. Take 438. Good news is it comes off really easily. Well, I think the key then is not to apply too much, and it was my fault
Oh,
and your fault. I did perhaps egg you on a little bit too much. This is where I get to do my teacherly bit. Failure's a part of learning.
but do you know what? We can try again.
Yeah, we can try again.
But
We
it is
can
quite
try
a
again.
critical panel.
What we need to do now is work out whether we've got enough fabric. Do you think perhaps we rushed?
Slow and steady.
The answer is yes. Probably.
Yes, I think we did, didn't we? Okay, we will come back soon.
Ta for now.
Ta-ta for now. We will prevail. Hang on. Come here. Come here.
It was definitely you. I mean, it was 5 minutes ago.
Right, let's do some drone filming.
Too much glue.
I bought the right glue.
Looks good.
Thank goodness. And it will be a pleasure to be in that. That'll be headliner done, 4 door cards.
If you speak to me like that again, I'll get this bottle and smash it over your head.
Do it.
No, hold it still, you great.
Guys, you're living dangerously. And mind you, you are good at all the feminine stuff. Fiddly.
I mean, that is actually a very, very, very good improvement.
You can't punish people for mistakes.